Hi friends, this is Manohar. Today in my video I am going to explain about the competition analysis. Here the competition will plays a major role to understanding about the business situation, and it will give you a best analysis for your prediction as well as your models. A competition is a major analytical part in the business wise or to understanding the business or for future estimations or sales trends, or it may be a grouping of your customers or to take a higher level decision making. This is a very useful tool for your modeling. Now I am going to explain about what is meant by this competition and what is the best model. What we are using is a Michael Porter's Michael Porter's five force model for five force model for competition analysis. Michael Porter's five force model for competition analysis. Now the competition means generally that one company is giving a strong competition to other company, having some competent features, which is one product having a more advantages than other product. Let it be take one syrup. If you are taking one syrup, generally in a pharmaceutical industry. Now, this company, let it be example, this ABC company is manufacturing one of the some medical syrup for children. This is a more advantages when compared to some other company XYZ, because which is added, it's a unique sales proposition. Some of the advantages which is added vitamin C, which is added vitamin C, which give you more resistance for to the small child when compared to XYZ syrup. The same syrup is manufacturing by the XYZ, but this ABC company, which is having additional advantages, is added one more USPs, that is a unique selling point, that is a vitamin C when compared to XYZ. That means here the ABC company, because of this added advantage, is getting some market gain or some market share in the pharmaceutical industry when compared to XYZ. This is generally what we are understanding about the competition. Any company which is giving a competition with core or a benchmarking values, which is competing with its own USPs to other companies in the same industry, this can be called as a competition. And this competition, it can be explained the best model by the Michael Porter's five force of model. Let it be take what he is giving is a best framework to analyze the competition is. First, I will take as here a rivalry among existing among existing industries, rivalry among the existing industry, and we are calling is a threat of suppliers, threat of suppliers, and here some new entrants who are going to ready to enter into the same industry. The new entrants here, the threat of suppliers means who are already supplying some materials, some vendors which are becoming a threat to the existing industry. Suppose example, one vendor or one supplier is manufacturing a raw material X. This raw material X is supplying to the existing industry. Here the rivalry among the existing industry means here already which is occupied some market share by some of the major players in the industry. Let it be the same example of the automobile industry. Have some 15 companies in a particular location or domestic market or international wide, and these for this entire industries. So one of the vendor or some vendors as supplying some raw materials this to existing industry, and these people sometimes is becoming a threat to the existing industry. This is a threat of the suppliers. And the new entrants means the persons who are entering into the newly to the industry, which is earlier they have their different business, or they may be enter with a big investment, which is a major threat to the existing industry. These are the new entrants, and let it be another force is substitute products, substitutes. That means if we go to the market and anybody asks us some products, let it be, and they are giving a substitution, they are giving other product with the same material. This is called a substitution product. So, for example, if you ask any some steel plate in the market, if any customer will ask the steel plate in the market, that retail outlet, that guy will give you a plastic plate. That means the same need, the customer, the same need is satisfied by alternative product, and his needs is going to satisfy fully with alternative product. That means these substitutes, instead of selling steel, the competition is from plastic industry. This is the best example how the substitutes is giving a competition to the, which is erasing the market share, which is a major threat to the rivaling among the existing industries. And one more, the last one is here, I will call it as a bargaining power of the customers. Bargaining power of the customers. So every customers will bargain some products. Customer will bargain some products. The bargaining power will increases. The competitors will decrease their price based on the bargaining power of the customers. This will lead to decrease in the price of the industry, and this is also one of the threat of the major threat to the rivalry among the existing industry. That means you can analyze from the who are the suppliers. Is it any threat from the suppliers, from the vendors? And a second one is a new entrants who are entering into the new business with more strength, the big investments to the existing industry. This is a major competition to rivaling existing industry. And the fourth one is, this is the first one, sorry, this is the first one, this is second one, this is the third one. This is the substitute products, which is producing alternative products instead of that industrial product. This is a major threat to the existing industry. And the fifth one is the bargaining power of the customers will lead to decrease in the prices of the industry, and also competition will increase more and more, and the existing industry will face some of the problems based on the bargaining power. These are the major, the framework is given to understand the analytical of the competition analysis in the any industry. Before going to that studying about the data science, you should know some of the experts has given their own frameworks, or which is maybe universal frameworks which can be going to be available in the different sources of the records. You can take it and you can analyze. This is the best model what I can opt for you to understand about the competition analysis. Thank you for very much for watching this video. Thank you.